How to fix user profile cannot be loaded in Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, scan the corrupted files. First, enter into safe mode and run command prompt as an administrative, then type this mentioned command and press enter. After the scan is completed, 100% restart your computer and try logging in again. Now, once done so, simply try replacing corrupt noticer.dat file. First of all, place window plus R and type services the MSC in the run dialog box. Now click views, then tap on shows and hidden items and navigate to this PC local disk C user's default. Then rename the antiuser.dat file to antiuser.dat.old. Now paste the copied file into the default folder. To implement the changes, restart your computer. Now, the another last method is enable user profile service. Enter into safe mode by restarting your PC, hold shift, troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, restart and press F4 or F5. Then copy paste the commands shown here one by one and hit enter. Then restart your PC again to exit the safe mode. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.